Every time people have been talking of vibe coding. So let me just say, vibe coding to me, it's nothing but using AI to develop apps for you. Okay, it's not, if you don't know how to code, you can simply use AI to code for you. So as someone that is completely new to it, let me just use an example. I think I'll go to a website now. Let me open my browser. Where is my browser? So I've opened my browser. Then let me just go to a website. I think let me go to a website that allows me to vibe code. I'll press I search for vibe coding AI. Okay, so I think there's one they said emergent. Okay, so let me search for emergent. Let me see whether that one allows me to build app without knowing much about coding. Okay, it's asking me to continue build full stack. Oh, okay, so I've already created an account before, so it allows me to go in. So how do I move here? Wow, this vibe coding, it's not something that is easy for me to understand. Okay, so let's say, let me type something here. Build an AI storybook creator. Okay, so let me see what emergent to say. I've tapped this white button. It's asking me to pay, so I don't think this one is a good one. Let me go to another one. Let me search for vibe coding. Let me see whether I'll see another one that is free. I just want to play around, nothing else. Just want to play around. I think vibe coding app builder bots. So let me use bots.new. Let me see how this one is going to be. Okay, what will you build today? So I think I've already created an account here. So let me just type what I want to build. So let's say build a storybook and build an AI storybook creator. Okay, so for teenagers. So I need a website that allows me to generate any kind of storybook for teenagers. So I'm going to type, I've already typed the prompt here, and I'll press this blue button, send. So let's see what it's going to do. So it's already creating it for me. So all I just need to do is wait. Okay, so it's still creating it. At the bottom here, it's showing me saying 89k daily tokens remaining. Well, that message is not for me. It's not important. Me, I just want to see how to create apps using vibe coding method. Okay, so I'm waiting. Okay, it's saying it's creating it. Good. So from plan, it's setting up the database schema. I don't know much about coding. All I just want to do is create an app. So I'm waiting for it to create it for me. It's currently applying database migration. Yeah, okay, so almost done. So let me wait for it. Still creating. I don't know how long it's going to take, but we have to just see how far it goes. Okay, let's see what is so special about this vibe coding that I've been hearing all over the town. Okay, I think it has finished setting up database schema for stories and user profiles. So right now it's setting up authentication. So let's see how far it's going to go. Still waiting for it. Still waiting for it. Just want to see how hard or how easy it is to create an app through vibe coding using a phone. So I am using a phone. I'm not using my laptop for now. So let's see how far this is going to be. Almost done. Almost done. So let's see. Creating story generation edge function. Okay. So we just have to wait for it to create all the necessary things it needs to create. Okay, creating deploying edge function. I think that is the next one. Okay, I think now it's currently building the UI components. Okay, whatever that is, I just need to wait and see how long it's going to take. So it's currently doing its job, and all I just need to do is wait. Okay, so it's still creating it, currently at the level of building UI components. Let's see how far it can. So what happened? Okay, I thought for a moment the application crashed. So I'm still waiting to see the end results of this so-called vibe coding. Still creating it. I think the process can be fast or can be slow depending on what you are creating. So it has finished building the main UI components and story creator interface. So right now it's trying to integrate authentication and database. As you can see, as a beginner, I don't know what it's doing. All I'm just watching is it generating the necessary files needed for the app. So all I just need to do at this point is to wait. Okay, so it's running the build. So let me see, building the project to verify. So I'm still waiting to see what it's going to do. Still waiting. Still, it say plan completed. Okay, so what am I supposed to know now? Okay, it's giving me the process of how I can sign in, sign up and sign in, then add this thing. But it's saying the following secrets are used in the code but don't exist yet. OpenAI schema, I don't need that one. So let me see. I think it's saying you have used up all your tokens. Well, okay, I think I've created it now. So, and it's saying, and I can only get tokens free every day. So I think I've used up the one. Let me see how I can upload this. I need to open it. So let me go to my desktop view to see whether, okay, I think there's publish here. So what do I do here? What do I do? Okay, let me zoom closer. Let me zoom closer. Let me tap these three lines at the top. Let me see what it's going to give me. No, what it's going to give me. I'm not even seeing. Okay, let me go down. Okay, I think down here, I think I've seen something. Let me tap this small icon under this F here. So let me scroll up. AI teen AI storybook creator. So let me come here. I've tapped on it, so it's opening it. Let me see what I'm going to get. Okay, so let me publish it. So I'm publishing it to see how it's going to be. Oh well, I'm getting a kind of blank screen with a flashing of a white background. Well, I'm not sure I can easily do this with my phone, so I'll give it a wrap. I think I'll have to try using my laptop. I'm not using my laptop for now, so I'm going to pause here and try again. There's no harm in trying, so you guys can try to create yours. You go to boats.new, then you create an account, then see if you can get something done. Okay, just trying to create a teen AI storybook creator on my phone and it's not working properly. So see you guys later. Thanks.